Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Eman. Today, I'm going to be talking all about skincare. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I was really struggling with my skin. I was getting a ton of breakouts along my jawline, my cheek area. I had a lot of discoloration, uneven skin tone, a lot of texture. I was so determined to get my skin back on track. I was able to do it, and I'm so excited today to share with you guys the products that are really helped me. These are products that I truly love and have made such a big difference. I'm gonna go into each one. There's gonna be a ton of information. I'm so happy to say that my skin is the best it's been in a long time, so I'm excited to share this with you guys. So if you want to see my most updated skincare routine with some amazing products, keep watching. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new and add me on Instagram at Eman. All right, let's get into the skincare routine. First up is a product that I'm very excited to share with you guys because I had heard a ton about it and I finally got around to trying it out, and it's so good. It is the Face Halo Makeup Remover Cloths. So these are basically little cloths. Oh my god, that's such a hard word. I'm not going to say that again. These little makeup removers, they feel kind of like towel fabric or like microfiber. I'm not sure what it is, but basically you'd wet them with water and it takes all your makeup off. This is such a great alternative to using makeup wipes, which can irritate your skin, and they don't take everything off at the end of the day. These are such a great alternative. The texture is so soft on your skin, so it's very gentle, and it takes all your makeup off. It's quick, it's easy to use, it's great for traveling. You could just easily wash them after to get them clean, to remove all the makeup residue. And ever since I started using these, I've noticed a big difference in my skin. Next up is cleansers. So I have two cleansers for you guys today. One is for acne prone skin. I absolutely love this cleanser. It's from Dermalogica. It is the Dermal Clay Cleanser. If you have more acne prone skin, so you have acne, you have breakouts, this is a great cleanser for you. It has a clay texture. The clay texture really helps to get rid of your acne. For a cleanser, this is one of the best acne prone cleansers I've ever used, and it's definitely my favorite. When my skin is feeling a little bit better, I do not need to use this all the time because it is drying. It dries up your skin. When you have acne, you usually use products that end up drying up your skin. So when my skin is feeling better, I don't use this because it's too drying. I will switch over to my other favorite cleanser. And the reason that I really wanted to share this cleanser with you guys today is because this is a great universal cleanser that works for everyone. So if you have just normal skin, or if you're not sure what your skin type is, or if you have, sometimes dry, sometimes oily combination, this cleanser literally will work for everyone. It is the Special Cleansing Gel. It has a gel-like texture to it. It's not drying at all. It feels great on the skin. It'll get rid of any makeup residue. It's perfect for day and night. So this is a great option for everyone. And this is a great option if you have more acne prone skin. Next up, after cleansing, I have two masks that have helped clear my skin so much. These two masks are my current favorites. The first one is from CAUDALIE. It is the Purifying Masks. This helps clarify and targets blemishes. I love using this when I feel like my skin is acting up. If I'm getting breakouts, I'll use this once a week, sometimes twice a week, and this really helps to just get rid of all the dirt and oil and all of the impurities in my skin, and really helps clear my skin. The second mask is from another one of my favorite skincare brands. This is from Peach and Lily. It is the Pore Proof Perfecting Clay Masks. This helps unclog and purify. I love using this again when my skin is acting up. It really helps clear my skin, especially my pores. You can build up a lot of residue on your skin from makeup, from the environment, from so many different things. And this helps really just go in deep into my pores, clear everything out, unclog it, and just leave my skin looking clear, fresh. And the best thing about it is that clay masks can sometimes tend to be very drying. This one does not do that. It does not dry out my skin at all. After I use it, my skin feels more hydrated than before using it. So that's kind of rare for a clay mask, and it just really helps just get into my pores and clear everything out. All right, next up, you guys, after we mask, I have 2 more products that have made such a huge difference. The first one I've talked about many times. Probably in all of my recent skincare videos, I've talked about this product, which just shows how much I love it and how much it works and how much I think you guys should try it. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. These peels are amazing, you guys. They do so much. They clear your skin. They really help exfoliate, but they're a very gentle exfoliator, but at the same time, they're very strong because they're peels. But they're peels that are gentle enough to use every day. So it's kind of the perfect combination of everything for the perfect way to exfoliate your skin. So when you're exfoliating, you're really helping getting rid of those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. So it totally smooths out that texture. If you have texture on your skin, if you have whiteheads, blackheads, it really helps to clear that. If you have acne, larger acne, it really helps with that. If you have pores, it really helps with that. If you have discoloration, these pads are amazing. They do so much. They have 2 sides to them. The first side is the exfoliate and smooth side. The second side is the anti-aging neutralizer. You use both, one right after the other. You use them daily. You can use them a few times a week. They're a little bit on the pricier side. You get a box full of them, but they're so worth it because if you use these for 30 days straight, you will see such a huge difference in your skin. If you use them for 2 weeks straight, you'll see a huge difference. So I definitely love these daily peel pads. I really highly recommend them. And then another product that is kind of been amazing for my skin is another product from Peach and Lily, which if you guys don't know, Peach and Lily is a Korean skincare brand. It's great. They have some amazing products and they're all about ingredients, so I definitely recommend that you check them out. But it is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. This serum is one of my favorite serums I've ever used, you guys. And a lot of times you use serums and you don't necessarily see the results right away. With this one, I saw the results right away. It just made my skin glowing and refreshed, and the color and just the texture, everything about it, this serum is like no other. So if you're looking for an amazing serum to try, I definitely recommend this one. All right, last step. We removed our makeup, we cleansed, we did our mask, we exfoliated, we serumed. Last step after all of that is moisturizer. And I'm sharing 2 with you guys today. The first one is from Dermalogica. It is the Active Moist Moisturizer. The reason I wanted to share this one with you guys is because this is an amazing universal moisturizer that will work for all skin types, dry, oily, combo, normal. No matter what skin type you have, this moisturizer will work for you. It is very lightweight, but it's also a little bit creamy. So it's the perfect texture. It will not clog your pores. It hydrates your skin. It's great for day and night. It works amazing under makeup. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it. The second moisturizer that I wanted to shout out today because it's so good is from DIFFERIN. It is the DIFFERIN Moisturizer with Sunscreen SPF 30. The reason I love this moisturizer is because this is my favorite moisturizer with SPF. So you guys have heard me talk about DIFFERIN before. I love DIFFERIN. DIFFERIN really helped get my skin on track when my skin was breaking out really bad. I love the different gel and I love the different moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer with SPF. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that has SPF in it, I definitely recommend this one. It's an oil absorbing, it absorbs excess oil, it's lightweight, it's non-greasy, and it's SPF 30. That is it, guys. That is my updated skincare routine. Those products have made such a huge difference in my skin. My skin looks and feels better than it has in a very, very long time. So I'm so happy I could share all that with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Everything is going to be listed in the description box. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. My name's Eman. Add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Love you. Bye.